Hello everyone, welcome to Barakpur Senate Public Higher Secondary School. Myself Ananya ma'am, Assistant Teacher of English. This presentation is for Class 7, Subject English Literature, Lessons 10, Poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers. The poet is Emily Dickinson. Let's get introduced with the poetry. Hope is the Thing with Feathers is a popular poem by the American poet Emily Dickinson. In the poem, hope is metaphorically transformed into a strong-willed bird that lives within the human soul and sings its song no matter what. Essentially, the poem seeks to remind readers of the power of hope and how little it requires of people. Let's know something about the author. Emily Dickinson was born on December 10, 1830 in Amherst, Massachusetts. Her poetry was heavily influenced by the metaphysical poets of 17th century England, as well as her reading of the Book of Revelation and her upbringing in a Puritan New England town, which encouraged a Calvinist, Orthodox and conservative approach to Christianity. Let's read the poetry. Hope is the thing with feathers. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the word and never stops at all. And sweetest in the gale is heart, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I have never heard it in the chilliest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. So, now we will get the summary of the poem. The speaker defines hope as a feathered creature that dwells inside the human spirit. This feathery thing sings a wordless tune, not stopping under any circumstances. Its tune sounds best when heard in fierce winds. Only an incredibly severe storm could stop this bird from singing. The hope bird has made many people feel warm. The speaker has heard the bird singing in the coldest places and on the weirdest seas. But in the speaker's experiences, even the most extreme ones, the bird has never asked for anything in return. So I hope you all have enjoyed the poetry. So thank you, take care and goodbye.